Okay, YouTube, we're live again. Here we go. Here's another picture or video of the bird room. Remember to hit like and smash that subscribe button. Thank you. This is Linus. He's a curl-crested Aracari. Hi, Linus. He's a small toucan. A lot of the cages are empty now because we have them in the other room, but I'll get to that other room when we get to it. Here's another one that's out. This is a double yellow. His name is Apollo. Come on. Very friendly birds. They have everything they need. This one here is a little shy coming out. Her name is Scarlet. She's a female eclectus. Very bright, vibrant colors. These ones here are little conures, little black cap conure. She's a little shy. Another empty cage. Empty cage. This is Pablo. Another pretty bird. He's a little scared. His name is Apache. He's a hawk-headed parrot. This one here is Pikachu. Let's see if he comes. Come on, Pikachu. Here's one flying in. I'm gonna have to get him and put him back in the room. Come on. Come on. Come on. He can hang out with me for a little bit while I finish showing you this room. I guess he wants to go back in his cage for now. So we'll put him in there. Yeah. His name is Picasso. He is a blue-fronted Amazon, but apparently he wants to be in his cage. This here is Simon. Simon is a Cape parrot. He's a male Cape parrot. Like I said, unfortunately, I don't have room to put them all in the other room, but there we go. I'll get to that room in a few minutes. She's got a red chest. It's a crimson belly conure. Very bright. Here's the male and female eclectus again. That's the male. His name is Emerald. There's the female eclectus. Name is Chloe. And let me try to get you a picture of their babies here again, a video. They're growing, they're getting bigger. Let me try to do something here real quick for you. Just so you can kind of see these babies. See how big these babies are? Pretty big babies. It's kind of cool to see these babies. Don't know if they're male or female yet. Guess I'll know in another week. I'm gonna put them back. Mom's starting to get a little bit mad. Now that you've seen pretty much of these birds, got their toys on the wall, got food, plenty of food, toys, everything for them in these cabinets. Now we're gonna get out to this other room. This room here has the stands on them. Got the birds. There's Leo again, he's a green-winged macaw. That's Bentley, he's a hyacinth macaw. They got their own stands, stuff out here. This is a double yellow, this is Rocky. Another stand, this is Molly. She's a double yellow-headed Amazon. That's Louie. He's a male eclectus. That's Alice. She's a yellow nape. This is Tonto. He's another hawkhead. Let me see if I can't get him to put his feathers up today. Come on. Guess he don't want to today. That there's a Cape Parrot. It's a female. Her name is Sade. Playing with her toys. This here is Bubs. He's our African gray. This is Alex. This is another African gray. And that's pretty much the bird room here. And this here is pretty much their play area. Tried to give you guys a little bit better view today. Remember, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, please. There will be more videos to come. Maybe I could try to get these guys to talk a little bit better, but this is the bird room. Thanks, guys.